Ow, try again. Fuck's sake, it's my head. Bash my fucking head. Ah. Can hear a car. Fuck off, I'm trying to do a YouTube movie. Bollocks, Stark. How does it just do one take of this? Wait for it. There's a car coming, I swear, there he is. Fucking, I've been waiting like a minute, 2 minutes for him to go. Fuck. Take 4 or whatever. It's not be spontaneous. Oh, fuck's sakes. And if you bollocks, fuck it, how hard is it to fuck up a line? Yeah, drive by. I can't do a simple fucking take. Oh, take 5 or something, fuck. Birds, shut up. Fucking birds tweeting away. Shh! Trying to film! Do you mind? I gotta wait for a quiet gap for the birds to fucking stop talking. You can't make this shit up. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, you can't shut the birds up, Phil, for fuck's sake, just do it. And if you listen... Ah! I give up. Fuck it. I can't beat the take I did, the first take. The only reason why I was redoing the takes is because you got me irritating bleep, 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 in the freaking background because I left the keys in it or whatever. Oh, shut up, it wants a seatbelt now. There you go, Patreon firtless, a few outtakes of one of the most simplest videos to do. I did one take of it, I thought it was pretty good, but I didn't like the beeping in the background when you opened the door. I wanted it quiet, and I tried over and over again. I just couldn't fucking out for it. It didn't sound right, it didn't look good. Yeah. I left you the outtakes in there for you to pour over and fucking waste your time with. Just so you don't get a freaking earworm with it, I'll finish the take. Hear that? Sounds just like a golf. Smuggy grin. Done.